Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to explain to you what each and one of these signs on the display is going to mean. So what do they stand for on your Casio A164W? So first of all, we have the time displayed right here, and then we have the date. So we have the day of the month, and then we have the day of the week. On the top left corner, we have three more signs. So we have a few lines. Those are going to stand for the alarm. This means that the alarm is now activated. Then we have a bell icon that stands for the fact that the hourly beep is now on. So every full hour your Casio is going to beep. Then underneath those we have a 24. The 24 stands to the fact that we are now in military time. So we have the 24-hour display. First of all, in case you want to have the 12-hour display, so to see PM and AM, in your home screen, what you want to do is to press the button on the right, and now you'll be able to see that now we have 8 PM. If you want to switch back, we are going to press it once again, and now I have switched to the 24-hour display. Thus, we have a 24H written on the dial. In case you want to activate or deactivate both the alarm and the hourly beep, what you want to do is to press the mode button, and we are going to arrive at the alarm settings. Here is where we can set both on and off. Now both of them are on. If I press the button on the right, both are now deactivated. If I press only one, I have the alarm now on. If I press it again, I have the hourly beep on. And now I have both of them on, and that is why they are going to appear on the home screen. Let's presume that I only want to leave the hourly beep on. I can finalize the process by pressing the mode button, and we are going to see that the watch is going to make that beeping sound every full hour. In case you want to deactivate it, we are going to make sure that no signs appear on the top left corner, and then I'm going to press the mode button in order to finalize the process. Now you can see on the top left corner that both signs have disappeared. This means that both the alarm and the hourly beep are now deactivated. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, so how to set the time and date, how to use the stopwatch, how to set the alarm, and also I'm going to post a guide on how to adjust the bracelet and how to replace the watch battery. I'm going to leave links in the description box below to each and one of these videos. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Also, make sure to check out our website in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.